Hi everybody, welcome to EduTap and also welcome to the ARD Current Affairs series going on for the NABARD Grade A 2026 exam. And also if you're preparing for any other agriculture related exam, these current affairs will help you in them, alright? So the four news that we have picked up for today, first is your NE race जो आपके नॉर्थ ईस्ट की जो रीजन एग्रीकल्चर कमोडिटी पोर्टल है उसको स्ट्रेंथन किया गया है टू लिंक इट टू द मेन स्ट्रीम इंडिया. For that, portal has been established. We will talk about it. Second, Rajasthan tops India's wool production in financial year 24. There is some rankings state-wise and some percentage that is given for the wool sector in India. So becomes important ranking, and these things are already important, right? Then your KVIC expands financial and market support for Khadi Institute and artisans. So basically, there was a news talking about the functioning and the work of KVIC. We are going to look at that. And finally, a digital portal has been launched for the cultivated medicinal plants, where now the farmers who cultivate or grow these medicinal plants, they can easily get certification of origin. Means not easily, but yes, it will be like paper free work that will be there. Okay, so what is it important? All these things we are going to look at one by one, starting off with the northeastern region agri commodity e-connect portal. It looks something like this, and as you can read here, it's been written connecting buyers and sellers in a single platform. देखो, in similar concept we already have e-NAM, right? A lot of you must be knowing e is your electronic, NAM is national agriculture market, right? Where the all the government mandis which exist, those are being, you can say, in a digital platform is provided to them, so that all the buyer sellers throughout across India, they can be connected with each other, right? But what was the problem that in northeastern region these government APMCs जो थी या government mandis थी, though were not such prevalent. And we also know that एक institutional gap exists between the northeast country as of now and the mainstream India, right? So to reduce this gap, and for the northeastern farmers, and please mind whenever I say I northeastern, I'm also including Sikkim over there. Northeastern region, the farmers, the FPOs, SHGs, the self-help groups, whichever that exist, to connect them to across the buyers across India, this particular platform has been established. Okay, so to divide this institutional gap, I'm sorry, to reduce this institutional gap, the step has been taken. Okay, promotes digital market access, okay, throughout the country. Direct buyer seller linkage है, which reduce the intermediaries. Then market preparedness for the northeastern farmers. ठीक है, तो इस चीजों के लिए ये पर्टिकुलर पोर्टल बना गया है. ठीक है, तो सिमिलर टू ई नैम वाला काम है. व्हाट्स द डिफरेंस बेसिकली इन ई नैम? जो आपकी एपीएमसी एग्जिस्ट करती थी, दोज वर डिजिटलाइज, बट द नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न रीजन डिड नॉट हैव दोज मच ऑफ एपीएमसीज, राइट? So those farmers need to be connected to the buyers and sellers, and for them this particular platform has been made. ठीक है, why this is important? Because it gives the free will and that um, uh, decision taking power for the farm to the farmer, that to whom they want to sell. Because currently the farmers go to the nearby market space, right, to sell at whatever amount that they're getting for it, right? But when there is a digital space, when there are more and more buyers and sellers, right, the farmers can get the right amount that the produce actually deserve. ठीक है, एंड वहाँ पे सेलर बायर्स का भी है, दैट बायर्स हैव मल्टीपल ऑप्शंस फ्रॉम वेयर दे कैन बाय, राइट? तो उनको भी रेस्ट्रिक्शंस नहीं होता है. दैट वाज योर फर्स्ट न्यूज. सेकंड इज योर जो केवीआईसी है, खादी एंड विलेज इंडस्ट्रियल कमीशन, व्हाट इट्स रोल इज. ठीक है, तो बेसिकली व्हाट इज दिस? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, केवीआईसी इज दैट इंस्टीट्यूट which falls under the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Ministry of MSME के अंदर आती है. And its aim is to develop the institutional framework of the खादी सेक्टर इन इंडिया. ठीक है, एंड नॉट ओनली दैट, इवन द मार्केट स्पेस ऑल्सो. ठीक है, तो नॉट ओनली वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रोवाइडिंग देम अ प्रॉपर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर स्पेस वेयर दे कैन make their produce, but also to strengthen market linkage, brand promotion and integration of khadi products with e-commerce platform. Now not only this institute has created a market space, but have also made an online portal from where the from where the people can buy products, right? And this will help lots and lots of artisans who are engaged in this particular sector. Artisans are who are making stuff, those are the artisans. ठीक है, simple as that. अब जैसे for we have e-commerce platform like Amazon, right? Flipkart. Similar to that, we have of Khadi KVIC also, where you can go and purchase the Khadi products. ठीक है. And where is the headquarter of this? Mumbai, Maharashtra में. मुंबई में क्या है? KVIC का headquarter है. ठीक है. Sometime like headquarters and these stuffs are also asked in the exam. Now there are certain schemes that are run by KVIC to promote this sector. In exam schemes can be asked. ठीक है. जैसे आपकी modified market development assistance schemes है, which talks about जो भी sales output है, जो means जो physical stores है, right? जो sales output है, to make it more modernized and computerized, means if billing is being done, that is through the digital paperwork, right? Means digital work, right? Modernization means making those outlets look more beautiful, right? So that it becomes attractive. टेक्नोलॉजी अपग्रेडेशन के बारे में बात करना. देन इंटरेस्ट सब्सिडी एलिजिबिलिटी सर्टिफिकेट, जहाँ पे 4% पर एनम तक का इंटरेस्ट रेट में आपको क्रेडिट मिल सकता है, मीन्स थोड़ा उधार मिल सकता है. कवर्स बोथ कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड वर्किंग कैपिटल. द डिफरेंस, कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट इज लाइक फॉर बाइंग फॉर अ बिगर थिंग, जैसे कोई मशीन लेनी है, दैट्स अ बिगर इन्वेस्टमेंट, राइट? वर्किंग कैपिटल मीन्स डे टू डे, मीन्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू वांट टू बाय सम रॉ मटेरियल, राइट? Dye, you want to buy dye, you want to buy fabric, you want to give money, salary to the employees. ठीक है, that is the working capital. ठीक है, तो दोनों कवर करते हैं इंटरेस्ट सब्सिडी. वर्कशेड schemes to improve the workspaces of spinning and weaving, and also to improve the storage structure so that raw materials, tools, accessories or semi finished goods then they can be kept. ठीक है. Strengthening of existing weak खादी institution. ठीक है. Infrastructure support provide करना. ठीक है. For renovation of outlet, again to make them more, to beautify them, to create more designs over there so that more and more customers they can come. इसके अलावा apart from that, market linkage and brand promotion measures is done by KVIC. First of all, this making their own e-commerce platform where you can buy things. ठीक है. Brand, and they are doing the brand promotion of Khadi India. ठीक है. So that a brand name established for the local artisans. ठीक है. Now we have come to the third news. Rajasthan tops India's wool production in financial year 2024. These rankings are important. And when we talk about highest annual growth rate, वहाँ पे पंजाब आ गया है. What does it mean? देखो, for example, I'm just giving this random example to simplify the understanding. ठीक है. जैसे राजस्थान पंजाब है. For example, in financial year 24, Rajasthan produced 50 kg of wool while Punjab just produced 30 kg. So which state ranks above? Of course, Rajasthan when it comes to the production. But imagine a year before that, Rajasthan had produced 45 kg of wool, but Punjab had produced just 5 kg of wool, right? So when we say that Rajasthan has topped the wool production, we are talking about the quantity which has produced, okay? But when we talk about the annual growth rate, means from a year before that, if you compare how much production of wool has been done, if you see the jump from 45 to 50 is very less, right? But from 5 to 30 is very more, right? So this is where the Punjab has topped, right? Highest annual growth rate means from a year before that how much production has increased of that state. तो वहां पे पंजाब आ गए. ठीक है. तो overall production is Rajasthan, and then if you talk about highest annual growth rate, that is done by Punjab. ठीक है. There were some other key points also that was there in the news, important for the exam that we're going to look at it. India is second largest sheep, we have the second largest sheep population. First में कौन है आपकी? First में China है. ठीक है. And when we talk about wool production, we are in 9th in number. ठीक है. इसके अलावा total wool production in the year financial year 2024 was 33.69 million kg. ठीक है. And apart from that, this is the ranking. In first we have Rajasthan, then Jammu Kashmir, then we have Karnataka. These are the top 3. Overall 10 की बात करें, you see if your state is also there or not, right? But top 3 we have Rajasthan, Jammu Kashmir and Karnataka. Then there are some other points also. ठीक है. जैसे state wise share की बात करें, Rajasthan has like the total, if you talk about 100% output of wool in India, 47.53 was from Rajasthan, and hence it has stopped, right? Jammu Kashmir 23.06, then Gujarat. Please don't get confused that here Karnataka was third, so why like Gujarat is written over there. Please keep in mind that of certain state the percentage was given, not of all. ठीक है. So we have deliberately added it over here, so that means there are chances it can be asked in exam because it was there in the news. ठीक है. तो you don't get confused that here Karnataka is third, so why Gujarat ka percentage is written. It was mentioned in the news, and that is why we have added it over here. ठीक है. Annual growth rate की बात करें, highest आपका कहाँ पे है? That is by Punjab. ठीक है. 22.4% from a year previous year. फिर then we have Tamil Nadu, then Gujarat. Type of wool which is produced in India, carpet grade, जो means the wool that is used to make carpet. 85% of wool that is produced in India is usually the carpet grade type. 5% is apparel grade. Apparel means clothes, ठीक है, clothes की 5% wool बनती है. And coarser grade means जैसे coarser grade is used for making blankets, dari and all that stuff, right? These are like very rough sort of wool in nature, and these are used to make such products, ठीक है. Apart from that, thoda there were like mention of organized sector in wool industry in India, that we have unorganized sector. तो organized sector में composite mills है, combining units, spinning mills, like means you know in infrastructure availability क्या है. Unorganized में power looms, hand looms, इन सब चीजों को use किया जाता है, ठीक है. Apart from that, if we talk about like sheep category contribution क्या है wool production में, maximum is by use. If you have read the static, you know that use is like the female of sheep. Males are known as rams, ठीक है. Castrated males are known as wethers, ठीक है. And uncastrated males are known as ram. Basically you can say the males, ठीक है. And then we have lambs. Lambs are like the kids of them. 40.33% जो wool है वो बनती है. तो maximum आपको किससे बनती है? Used जो females है, those are used, ठीक है. Apart from that, there were also mention of some of the these breeds of sheep that exist in different regions. जैसे राजस्थान के एरिड क्लाइमेट में जो मारवाड़ी एंड चोकला है, they support the coarse wool production. जम्मू कश्मीर में जो फाइन वूल है, it comes from the छंटांगी एंड मरीनो sheep. वूल सेक्टर ओके, ठीक है. तो ये दो आपकी कुछ शीप्स के नाम थे, लाइक यू कैन कीप दैट इन माइंड. मरीनो इज फ्रॉम लाइक इट इज reared in Jammu and Kashmir. By this you can keep in mind, or by this you can memorize this fact. चोकला जो है वो राजस्थान में rear की जाती है, ठीक है. Now coming to the fourth, digital portal launch for certificate of origin of cultivated medicinal plants. This has been done under the framework of Biological Diversity Amendment Act 2023 and the subsequent rules that have come after that. Now what is this? See, basically what happens, like medicinal, there are a lot of medicines that are made in India. Of course, there must be many industries and farmers that are engaged in it, okay? Usually what happens, there is one framework, Biological Diversity Amendment Act, which says basically that if you are taking any medicines, like if you are not growing any medicinal plant but you are taking directly from the forest, you have to share if you have to share whatever profit you have with the local community, and that is known as your excess and benefit sharing, ठीक है. What is excess and benefit sharing? Whatever you are taking, whatever any organization is, be it government, be it like these private entities or whatsoever, whoever is taking benefit of the natural resources of any area, they have to share benefit from the with the local community. This is what the access and benefit sharing means under the Biodiversity Act, ठीक है, 2023 Amendment Act 2023, ठीक है. In what conditions you don't have to share the profit? If you are growing these medicines on your own. Please keep in mind, you have to share the benefit if you're directly taking up from the natural environment these medicinal plants. But if you have on your, or you have taken your own field, you are growing there, so then whatever profit comes, it is yours, ठीक है. अब how the government will know that if you are growing your own plants or if you're taking from the natural resource, okay, this they know by a certification of origin which you have to get from the government, all right. So if I am a farmer who is growing my own medicinal plant, I would have to first apply for certification of origin. That will be my proof that I'm not taking these medicinal plant from natural resources but I am growing them on my own, ठीक है. Initial work was very hectic, there was a lot of paperwork and all that. Now to make that more smooth, the National Biodiversity Authority, they have operationalized a digital portal where these certification of origin can be get easier than the previous case, ठीक है. तो ये पूरी बात है, ठीक है. And now when I have that certification of origin, I can have access and benefit sharing exemption. Exemption means उससे हटना, because these plants I'm growing on my own, so I don't have to go with this access and benefit sharing wala clause, right, under the Biodiversity Amendment Act 2023, ठीक है. तो to get exempted from sharing the profit, I need to have a certification of origin that I'm growing my own plants, and for that a digital portal has been launched by National Biodiversity Act. Simple as that, ठीक है. पूरी कहानी इसमें यही है. right? And also this National Biodiversity Authority, it falls under Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, that you have to keep in mind. Okay, now let's do some question number 1. In February, the Any Race portal primarily facilitate linkage between which of the following stakeholders, like exporter importers, banks and MSPs, cooperatives and NABARD, NGOs and CSR agencies, yeah, farmer, FPO, cities and buyers. That is the correct answer. Second, according to February, KVIC functions under which ministry? Okay, so I hope you all know it under the Ministry of MSME. नेक्स्ट है द डिजिटल पोर्टल ऑफ सर्टिफिकेशन ऑपरेट्स अंडर विच एक्ट, ठीक है, कि ये सर्टिफिकेशन ऑफ ओरिजिन होना चाहिए, ये किसके अंदर था? तो अभी आपका ये जो बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 2023 है, दिस इज द लेटेस्ट वन अंडर विच दिस सर्टिफिकेशन ऑफ ओरिजिन इज नीडेड. Then, as per February data, which state stood highest annual growth rate? Please keep in mind we are talking about annual growth rate and not the highest production. Because it is annual growth rate, that is why Punjab is the answer. Had it been asked about the highest wool production, then Rajasthan would have been the answer. Okay. The digital portal for issuance of certification for cultivated medicinal plant is launched by which organization? Under the जो आपके biological amendment act उसके अंदर था, लेकिन जो आपकी नेशनल बायोडाइवर्सिटी अथॉरिटी है, इट इज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ इट. ठीक है. अनदर क्वेश्चन, सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन इज देयर फॉर यू. ठीक है, दिस इज नॉट द फिफ्थ, दिस इज द सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन. दैट इज एज रिपोर्टेड विच स्टेट रैंक सेकंड इन वूल प्रोडक्शन इन इंडिया इन फाइनेंशियल ईयर 24. तो फर्स्ट तो राजस्थान है, बट सेकंड आपकी क्या थी? दैट वाज योर जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. ठीक है. नाउ देयर इज अ होमवर्क क्वेश्चन फॉर यू ऑल. राजस्थान अकाउंटेड व्हाट परसेंटेज ऑफ टोटल वूल प्रोडक्शन in India in the financial year 2024? You have to tell. So that is all in this video. If you like this video, for more such videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and you can join our Telegram channel to get the PDF of this and every lecture that we provide here on YouTube. I wish you all the very best for examination and thank you.